hear the Dow. Escort all members out of gallery at this time. All members of
Our lives matter. Medicaid expansion. Our lives matter.
Medicaid expansion now. Medicaid expansion.
Our lives matter. Medicaid expansion. Our lives matter. 16 of our brothers and sisters have already committed acts of civil disobedience today. I want you to give them a hand. Over 5 million United States citizens have already signed up for the Affordable Care Act. 5 million. You had a legislator in the state of Georgia who got mad because his Republican colleagues would not pass a bill that would make it illegal for us to assemble and to promote that people who do not have health insurance ought to have health insurance in the state of Georgia. It is not a privilege. All right, it is a privilege, and so I hope that we will rally our troops and send the message to Governor Deal that he needs to, on behalf of all of Georgia's citizens, expand Medicaid so that the 600 health insurance is important. Show them how black and white and brown and yellow can work together in solidarity. How young and old can work together in solidarity.
And they went to talk with our representatives about the Family Care Act. We assembled outside of Governor Deal's office to review the day's activities. Suddenly, Governor Deal came walking right toward us. And I'm old enough and I went right before his face with one thing in mind. I asked him to approve a Medicaid expansion. I shared with him that I was a minister and the Lord had opened up this door for me to be a caregiver to help supplement my income. I told him that I'd been with this agency for over 8 years, starting at $7.25 an hour, and still making that same pay. Okay, now I got a response. Now when I told him that I made $7.25 an hour, he went. I also let him know that I had no sick days, vacation days, or health insurance at all, and that I represent the face of many people that would benefit greatly by him approving Medicaid.
Last time we were together, I was stuck on the Senate floor and couldn't get to the rally on voting rights, but I'm here now. I'm here to say that this legislature is doing everything they can to repeal voting rights. They're doing everything they can not to expand Medicaid. They're doing everything to tell women, we're going to control your body. But we're here to say no. We've come out here, we're saying we're not afraid of anybody. We're not afraid of Nathan Deal. We're not afraid of Casey Cagle. We're not afraid of the State Patrol. Because the time has come for the people to stand up and send a message that things have changed. That's right. And that's why I'm so glad to be with those folks. Well, I'm not with them. They're on their way to jail or at jail now. But it is a great thing when people committed to a cause, thinking not robbery, to sacrifice their freedom for justice.
That's right.
That's a good thing. And that's why I'm glad to be with you. When I leave this microphone, I'm going back up to the Senate floor and push back as much as I can. But let me tell you one thing as I close. We couldn't do what we do without you. When I'm on there on the floor, I know that you're with me and with all of those people who seek justice, freedom, and equality. God bless you and thank you.
I'm gonna let it shine. Oh, it's the light of mine. I'm gonna let it shine. This is how we do it in South Georgia. It's the light of mine.
here today as the NAACP, as labor, as faith, as a broad coalition of the ain't gonna take it no more. To say that we the people must finally mean we the people. Not just the well-oiled and silk-stocking and lined purses of the elite. Yes. Everybody. Yes. And so we're here to say we ain't gonna take it no more. Change is coming to Georgia. They know that they and people who are with them are in a growing minority. But they are people of goodwill who believe that America must go forward and that Georgia must be a part of that forward movement. And so I say, and I join with those who've said it before, we ain't gonna let nobody turn us around. Peace and power.
Considering the state that we are in, that is exceedingly clear, considering the state. Georgia has the 5th highest number of uninsured people of any state in the union. Think about the implications of that, not just for those who need care, but think about the implications of that for business and for our economy. And then hear the argument coming from the other side. The argument is that Georgia cannot afford a Medicaid expansion that dramatically decreases the numbers of its uninsured citizens, although the federal government pays 100%. And then gradually scales back to a permanent level of 90%. The argument on the other side, believe me, I wish it were more complicated.
Say so, brother.
The argument is that we cannot afford it. Meanwhile, you and I are already being taxed by this broken system. Each time one of our fellow citizens has to go to the emergency room, not for need of urgent care, but for need of primary care, they say we cannot afford it. I wish it were more complicated than that. But that's their argument. It's immoral. It's illogical. It cannot stand. So, government deal. Expand Medicaid not only because it is right morally, do so because it is smart economically. An investment of about 1% of the state budget, $2.1 billion over the next 10 years.
Nothing.
Bring in new federal funding, creating more than $65 billion in new economic activity in Georgia over 10 years. Supporting more than 56,000 new jobs. Say that, 56,000 new jobs throughout the state. And so our message is clear. Deal needs to take the deal. It's the real deal. Back out front. I'm gonna let it shine. So I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine.